Namaste and welcome to Wellness Roots. I am Dr. Hridaya Tilagan, Ayurveda doctor and wellness consultant at Wellness Loka. Today, we are exploring an important topic. What is difference between wellness and healing in Ayurveda? Many people think Ayurveda is only for treating disease, but in reality, Ayurveda is equally important preventing illness and maintaining wellness. Wellness is more than the absence of the disease. It's being healthy in body, mind, emotions, and even social life. Ayurveda focuses on achieving complete balance. Here is how Ayurveda supports wellness. So, for achieving physical wellness, Panchakarma therapies eliminates toxins, improve digestion, and strengthen immunity. This keeps the body light, active, and disease-free. Mental wellness, the meditation, pranayama calms the nervous system, improve focus, reduce anxiety, and create peace of mind. Emotional wellness, Ayurveda counseling and lifestyle guidance system improves focus, reduce anxiety, and create peace of mind. In case of emotional wellness, Ayurvedic counseling and lifestyle guidance help manage stress, handle emotions better, and develop a positive outlook. And for social wellness, Ayurveda encourages connection with nature and community, such as visiting herbal gardens, wellness retreats, or practicing group yoga. This nurtures harmony within around us. In short, the wellness approach is about prevention, balance, and living harmoniously. So, in case of Ayurveda for healing, when illness occurs, Ayurveda focuses on healing, which goes deeper than just treating symptoms. First, assessing dosha imbalance. Every disease starts with an imbalance of the dosha, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Identifying the disturbed dosha is the first step. Second one is Shamana Chikitsa, that is pacifying treatment. Internal herbal medications, diet, lifestyle adjustment calm the aggravated doshas. Then the third one is Shodhana Chikitsa, that is cleansing therapy. Detoxifying techniques removes toxins in the body, that is applying the Snehana, that is oil ablation. Then next one is Svedana, that is sweating therapy, and the last one is Panchakarma treatments, that is 5 detox procedures that mainly includes Vamana, Virejana, Basti, Nasya, and Raktamoshana. So the fourth one is Nidhana Parivarjana, that is avoiding the causes, removing the root cause, wrong food habits, unhealthy lifestyle or stress. And the last one is supportive practices, that is giving the yoga, meditation, and pranayama adapted to the disease condition support both physically and mental recovery. Healing in Ayurveda is about finding the root cause, cleansing the system, and restoring the natural balance. So, wellness versus healing. Simply put, like wellness is prevention, keeping you healthy, balanced, and full of vitality. Healing is a treatment, restoring health when imbalance and disease have set in. Both are essential. Ayurveda combines them beautifully. First, to keep you well, and if illness arises, to bring you back to health. For a healthy individuals, we provide lifestyle guidance, diet plans, yoga, and Panchakarma to maintain wellness. And for those with health challenges, we offer personalized health programs with Ayurveda therapies, medicines, and holistic care. If you want to live a life of true health and balance, Ayurveda has answers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Ayurveda wisdom on Wellness Roots.